This is Madeline on the left, Cora on the right, and Amaretto as our llama. Today, Cora, Madeline, and Amaretto are going to be demonstrating how to put a costume on your llama. First, they're starting off with the feet. This is normally the best place to start because a lot of llamas don't like their feet to be messed with. If you put the feet on last, then they could kick and jump and mess up other parts of the costume. Basically, what they're doing is they're just bunching up the sock, and then once she puts her foot down, they're going to pull it up over her leg. Now they're starting on the other leg and just putting the other sock on the exact same way. Next thing that they're going to put on is this hat. It has a little bit of face covering, but it is see-through, so it's not going to be worth as many points as something that would be completely solid. Coverage is one of the most important categories when designing a costume. A judge will look to see how much of your llama is covered. The more, the better. Putting something over your llama's face increases your points there. Putting a hat on would also give you points in the sensitive placement category. You can score a lot of points by covering up the head and the feet. I put this clip in double time so you could see everything they're doing, but it wouldn't take up as much time. Right now, they're securing the neck covering. For this part, safety pins are going to be your best friend. You want to make sure everything is properly secured so nothing will fall off. That way, if your llama gives a little shake on accident, you'll be fine. And as always, the more you can cover up, the better. So that little empty space between the brown covering and the hat, right there, you're going to want to try and cover that up, which is what they're going to do eventually. This little stuffed animal is for the theme, but it also provides coverage. It also help under the creativity category. We didn't get a video of this, but they put this black covering over the llama's belly. Once again, this is for coverage. Right now, they're securing this covering over their legs. They're going to secure it everywhere they can, up at the top, on the legs, in between the belly, all over, just so it won't fall off. Securing the costume. Think about this. Why do we do costume? What's the point? Well, it's obviously partially for fun, but there is a serious purpose as well. Putting all these crazy things all over our llama helps them to desensitize. That way, if the llama gets hurt, you can touch them and put things wherever without them getting upset. Desensitizing is just getting the llama used to doing things that they're not used to, which is exactly what costume is for. We have more of the same, just securing everything to make sure it all stays in place and every part that we can is covered. Now that everything is covered, here's the final look. As you can see, she's shaking her head a little bit, but since it's so well secured, nothing comes off. Now, thinking about what we've talked about so far, how could we improve this costume? Could we cover things more? Could we put things in other places? What do you think? How can we make this better?